How's it, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but that's mostly due to the fact that I haven't been really motivated to learn the editing software. So I've just been uploading a short here or there, but yeah, this is actually going to be a quick video, more or less. I've ordered a few things have actually changed on the car. For instance, I took out the Type R FN2 intake cam, and I fitted the DC5R Integra cams, both the intake and exhaust. And then I've got a throttle body as well, 72mm. It's got some knockoff or something, I'm not too sure. It's not brand name, it's not K-tuned or skunk or anything. So we'll have to see how that works. And then yeah, the reason I'm actually making this video is because actually it's going to be a quick one, because we're actually supposed to go out to dinner in about an hour or so. So I actually just wanted to install, well, at least something, because I've been working, I've been tired, I haven't been motivated to install anything or do anything, to be honest. But this is the one I want to install. This is the new goodies. I've got the hybrid racing gear selector springs, which should be quite nice. And then I've got the ones I actually want to install quick, because these are very, very quick, which is the detent springs. These are actually quite easy to install. I actually want to show you guys. I got a battery relocation. It's one of the things that I got done. So the detent is basically going to be this bolt here, that bolt there, and then I don't know if you guys can see, but there's another one back here. Can't really see it, but it's where am I? It's in the shadow now, so you can't really see it. You can kind of see it. It's right there, right there. So those should be apparently torqued down to about 23 foot-pounds, but I don't got a torque wrench, so we'll kind of guesstimate it. And then this, don't mind the bench. Yeah, this place is a bit of a dungeon. So I've got a nice little strut brace, ultra racing for the Accord CL7, CL9. It's supposed to go somewhere in the middle of the chassis, and then I'm planning on getting the one that goes more towards the front, goes kind of just a little bit behind the front bumper. And then I want to install the rear 4-point as well. This is also something I did. I sell these as well. They're all set for the front, the back, and the steering wheel. So I installed the red badges, Type R badges, and I sell these. I installed this as well, Type S badge. But yeah, I think furthermore, nothing really changed. I mean, yes, the throttle body. Like I said, it's not a brand name, it's not a skunk or you know, K-tuned or anything of the sort, but it'll hopefully get the job done. Comes with a nice little adapter bracket for your stock manifolds, some fittings, and comes with a gasket as well. Yeah, so I'm not going to show you guys the entire process. It's 3 bolts to take out. I'll take one of them out, take the spring out, I'll show you guys, compare it, and then we'll do a little test. I'll do a test now quick before, see if we can see any type of visual difference, but I don't think there's going to be a visual difference. You might hear a difference. So the hybrid racing site says it's supposed to be 80% stiffer than stock, so it should offer a much better gear engagement, much more, well, stiffer, I guess. But yeah, we're going to test it, and then I'll let you guys know if it's worth it or not. So this is the normal, I forgot to mention, I've got a stock shifter, just a little bit of a K-tuned weighted gear knob on it. Also forgot to mention, I've got a stage 2 ADT clutch kit. So it's a clutch, the flywheel, comes with a release bearing and a lightweight flywheel. Because stock on these cars, the stock flywheel is something like 11 kgs, and the aftermarket ADT one, the Lightning flywheel, is apparently 4.3. So you can imagine it makes a massive difference. But I'll try and include a sound clip of the revs. But yeah, this is stock, so I don't like that it's got this play on it, but I mean it's a stock shifter, so you can't. It's not terrible, but it's not the best. Well, this one kind of goes in. So I forgot to mention I did install the solid base mount bushings. What they call it, base plate mountings, I guess. Base plate solid mountings, bushes. Just a piece of aluminum. But yeah, this is. We'll see if we see any type of difference with the detent compared to this, and I'll obviously do a test drive and let you guys know if you can actually feel the difference. But as you can see, it's quite easy to get into gear. It's not very difficult. But yeah, let's install the detent springs and have another look. So I thought I'd show you guys the difference quick. So I'm only using one hand here for recording. So you can see the stock one is a lot shorter, and you can see, yeah, well, I can't really see it, but yeah, it's a lot shorter. And if you try and press down on the hybrid racing and try and press down on the stock, you can definitely feel the hybrid racing's got a lot more resistance to it. So the process for reassembly is pretty easy. All you do is, so when you take this off, just remember the washer. You don't want to lose that washer. So all you do is you take your hybrid racing spring and you put it inside your bolt, and you put it back on transmission. Maybe put a little bit of thread seal on it, tighten down, and rinse and repeat for the other two. Alright guys, so I installed both those 3 detent springs. So this is going to be my first initial feel of the shifter. So I'm quite curious to see what the difference is. So clutch in. Oh wow, okay. Wow, that actually takes some. Wow, okay. That takes a lot more effort to get in gear. So the reason I've only got the stock shifter with this detent springs is because I've heard guys say on the forums that these springs really work the best with the stock shifter. Because I mean, you must remember your short shifters that the guys put in already eliminates a lot of the slack that's in the shifter. So it really gives you a much better notchy feel when you engage in gear and changing gears. So with a stock shifter, because I mean the stock shifter is really, really nice. I mean, sure, the throws are a little bit longer, but I mean, this isn't a type R. You know what I mean? It's supposed to be a fun cruiser with which you can have some fun. You know, like it's supposed to be dual purpose. So it's not the most aggressive option that's out there. But I mean, this is really nice. I can't wait to take it on the road and feel it. It's really good. Wow, okay, it's so nice. It's so good. So trying to get it in gear now. As you can see, I actually need to put a bit of force into it. I could actually, like I'm actually using force to get it into gear. So obviously over time it'll, you know, it'll weigh in a bit and won't be as, I don't want to say difficult to get into gear, but it'll definitely be easier to get into gear.